What is up, everybody? By now, I guess if you guys see or watch or subscribe to Connor Ward, Lawn Rebels channel, you know that the LCN will be here Friday. I will be down there as well. So, you know, Connor and all of his glory and perfect planning and everything, what he didn't do is get any sort of an estimate of how many people were actually coming. So if you can make it, my Utah people, I know that there's quite a few of you that watch this channel and his, make sure you comment so I know. We're trying to make some plans for that. Gonna have a little food and drinks and things like that. I am going to be giving a quick talk. It'll be kind of a warm-up so that people can hear my TED Talk, comment 15-20 minutes tops. And then I'm pretty much gonna get out of the way. So thank you, Connor, for allowing me to do that. But here's what you need to know. Everything's right here. Got it? So, 4300 South, 13th East. It is the park down there. Big Cottonwood Regional Park. Show up down there around 5 p.m. We'll be there. Drinks, snacks, that kind of thing. And I think that's really all you need to know. That's this Friday. So coming out if you can make it. Comment, let me know that you're coming. Even if you might have already done that over on Connor's channel, please do that. I know there's going to be probably quite a few people there. Good chance to hang out, mingle, talk, ask questions, and it'll be a good time. So that's happening this weekend. Utah folks. Big Cottonwood Regional Park. Got it? You can look that up. I'll put the address and everything else in the description below. As far as everything else that's going on around here, it has been raining, it has been windy, and the temperatures have dropped like crazy, and it's a chance that we're probably going to get to freezing temperatures in the next couple of days at night, so that's likely going to happen. This is just what it is. So as the weather clears up, I would say I'm going to start these projects in the valley Thursday or Friday, so I'm going to start filming for those. The weed kill, the fertilizing, the seeding, and we're gonna try to bring some lawns, I mean rough, things that are in some rough shape, back to life. So that will be happening pretty quickly. So I've got my green pop here, I've got the seed that Pete sent me. We're gonna be doing all kinds of stuff on there. But for now, there's not really much for me to do on my lawn still. Really, I think that I'm gonna really be watching the temperatures, but I am coming up on what could be my last feeding of the year up here. If it's gonna change quickly, I'm really hoping for an Indian summer. It's gonna drag out. It was such a short summer. So I'm gonna be nailing this lawn with 1801 at a pretty high rate, 21 ounces per thousand. Maybe even up to 24, don't know. We'll just see how I feel that day. And just, maybe that's going to be it. So then we'll just be watching the temps and finding out. So we are now in September. That means that for cool season grass people, this is a growth time. This is a feed time. This is a nitrogen time. This is the time to go ahead and hit it, because this is your second growth cycle of the year. You've already had one early spring, so you pretty much start that around February 15th to March 1, depending on where in the country you are with cool season grass, and then that continues up until about June, and then it really sloughs off until we get back into September, and then there's a surge again. So energy is needed now. So keep that in mind. Apart from that, things are busy. GIE is upcoming. I know I already said all that. So I just needed to get this out here. Oh, Lawncology has been announced. Deidre would kill me if I didn't mention it again. So you can go to lawncology.com. Information there. I know that we've already emailed our registrants from last year, and vendors are already confirming on who's going to be there this year. We're working through speakers and things right now, but that will be in Athens, Georgia at the end of January. So there will be, again, information right here down below, so you can take a look at that, link over and see, come to the event. And we've made it, the hotel rates are going to be posted here on the Lawncology site pretty soon, so you'll be able to do that. Take a look at what the rates are. They're really good. And we've also kind of extended the block on either side of the Lawncology show, Summit, learning experience, whatever you want to call it. So if anybody wants to come early and come down to the plant, and we can give some tours and show you everything that's going on down there in January. Usually not a lot in Georgia, but it's a good chance to get to meet people and check it all out. So Lawncology.com for that. It's going to be super fun. I think that's it. That was fast. That was easy. There's still no yard work going on. It just finished raining here a few minutes ago, so everything's kind of wet. And tomorrow it's supposed to just downpour like crazy. The winds today up here were like 60 miles an hour, so I am going to go back inside now and actually warm up. I think I might be turning on my fireplace. So that's it. I hope everybody has a great one. Look forward to seeing you Utah folk on Friday. So I'll talk to you guys all real soon. See ya!